Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. In this video we will see how to make a weather monitor. So get ready and enjoy the show. Let's start first by presenting the components we're going to use. First we have the programmable board, the ESP8266 with a small OLED screen. And that's the AHT20 plus BMP280 sensor to capture temperature, humidity and air pressure. And this is the light sensor with a photoresistor on the top. And to connect all these sensors we will need two breadboards and a bunch of wires. Let's start making our circuit by placing the sensors. Here we have the ESP between the two breadboards, and we will place the AHT BMP next to the pins we will connect it to, and we will place the light sensor on the top left. And now it's time for wiring. In our setup, the ESP will get its power from the micro USB and then distribute it to the sensors. Here I'm connecting the ground pin on the ESP to the minus line on the breadboard and the 3-volt pin to the plus line. Now connecting the ground and 3-volt to the AHT and BMP. The SCL pin on the sensor will be connected to the D5 pin on the ESP, and the SDA pin will be connected to the D6 pin. I will need to remove the sensor from the breadboard to be able to connect those two, but I will keep the power wires as reference. Here they are, and let's get the sensor back. Here I connected the power pins on the light sensor, and I will connect the analog output from the light sensor to the analog input A0 on the ESP. And for that I will need a long wire. Now the wiring is done, let's go to coding. Here in Platform IO, let's click on Open and New Project. Let's name project, for example, Weather Station, and our board is node, let me see, yeah, Espressive 8266 node MCU 1.0, and finish. It's gonna take a little bit of time. Yeah, I trust it. So here, as you can see, we have the main.cpp. Let's remove all this. I will provide you the code in the description. So here is it. Let's explain it. Here are the libraries we are going to use. This is the setup for the OLED screen on the ESP, and those are the sensors we are using here. For the light sensor, it just reads how much volts it's getting from the A0 pin. For the setup, wire.begin, here we have 12 and 14. 12 is the GPIO 12, which is the D6, where we connected the SDA, and 14 is the D5, where we connected the SCL. This is to make the display works. If it doesn't work, the program will stop. Here, just to show that everything is going as expected and the sensors are being set up. This is where we initialize these sensors we have. For the AHT, the address is automatically set to 0x38, but for the BMP we need to set it manually. So for me it works on 0x77. If it doesn't work for you, you may want to use 0x76. And display print sensors ready. And here for the loop, we have humidity, temperature. We will get those from the AHT, the light level as we said from the light sensor pin, the A0, and the pressure we're gonna take it from the BMP. And we're gonna display all this on the OLED screen. So here we still have these errors. We just need to download these libraries. And how to do it? We need to add them to our platform.init. Okay, so we just paste these. Those two will be on the description. Let's save it, and automatically it's going to download them, as you can see here. Now that it's done, let's push the code. First, let's connect the cable to our ESP. As you can see here, it's working because I already had the code in it. So let's push the code again, why not? Here is it compiling. Okay, finally now it's pushing the code here. As you can see, when the code is being pushed, you see these LED light flashing. That's how you know the code is being pushed. Now it's 64. So now it's done. It's working as expected. Okay, yeah, you see the light sensor is changing. Temperature. Yeah, that's cool. So that was a simple how to set up a DIY weather station. If you want to see how you can set up an MQTT broker and take the records and prepare them to be used for machine learning, tell me in the comments below. Thank you for watching.